If you want to become a professional artist, then this course is ideal for you, for which you should bag a lot of awards. I will help you apply for a list of esteemed awards in India, for which you should sell your artworks. I will help you sell your artworks through renowned art galleries. Now listen carefully. If a portrait is good enough to bag awards, it will sell easily, isn't it? Do you get the logic? But how do you know if a portrait is good enough to sell or bag an award? If you are practicing art on your own, how are you sure that your portrait is perfect and fulfills all the criteria? Now take a look at this work. I agree that this is a beautiful portrait, but I am going to point out the flaws now. First and foremost, the resemblance is hugely missing. I can't figure out the direction of the light source, whether it is from the left or right or top or bottom, because there is no shadow anywhere in this portrait. There is no shadow of a chain or earring. Did you notice that? This is called a flat work because there is no depth or proper reflection. But the work looks great, isn't it? Do you see the number of logical errors in this portrait? Now do you think this work will be nominated for an award? That is why in my course I am going to teach you how to study a portrait instead of copying a portrait, which will help you avoid a lot of basic and logical errors. After my course, you will know how to start a portrait and very importantly, how to complete a portrait. Then you can confidently sell your drawings and apply for awards. And also, you will be acknowledged by the expert artists. In this portrait, you can imagine where the light is coming from. There is a shadow, there is a reflection, and no proportional flaws. And there is solid resemblance, isn't it? This is the kind of work that bags awards.